Anybody been to New Orleans before? Yeah, a little bit? Okay. New Orleans is a shitty place. Hang on just a second. New Orleans can be a shitty place. It's actually a really fun place, but there was an unfortunate situation that took place that ended up with me being incarcerated for the night. The night before the biggest festival that we probably ever played, and I was like so fucking worried I was gonna miss the show. Our manager's here tonight, he can probably attest the same thing. But here's how the song's gonna go, okay? So basically the chorus goes, can't even fucking remember the chorus right now, let's just do it. When the chorus happens, let's do it real loud, okay? I'm in Amsterdam, first time in the land. Feeling kind of sexy, that's right. I'm with the band. No idea how we made it here. Convinced it's all a joke. These Dutch girls say otherwise, but they don't know I'm broke. Yeah, I feel the need, I gotta buy some games so I can let it all go. I'm slowing down and I make mistakes, but I love what I know. Opportunities, just taking fees. Hyperbole is my flow. Bitch, I make my legacy. I'm counting threes when I throw. Hey, somebody turn the lights on. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, this world will eat your heart out. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, somebody turn the lights on. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, this world will eat your heart out. Hey, the wolves are watching. I'm in New Orleans, feels like I'm asleep. The city's kinda evil and I need to find caffeine. Rolling J's in anyways, no care on this earth. These drunk girls get living out, but they don't know their worth. Okay, I feel the need, I gotta buy some green so I can let it all go. I put my cash and see that cat who tells me he's 5-0. Why my cuffs, what the fuck is up? I have every right to know. I wasn't even caring, so I should be free to go. Somebody turn the lights on. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, hey, this world will eat your heart out. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, somebody turn the lights on. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, this world will eat your heart out. Hey, the wolves are watching. Listen here, you motherfuckers, stop being so selfish. Can I get a light from the backseat? I said, can I get a light from the backseat? Hey, somebody turn the lights out. Hey, the wolves are watching. Hey, this world will eat your heart out. Hey, the wolves are watching. Yeah.